daily basis. Let's see what she does. She's taking a sip. She's sipping it twice. Gonna find out if it tastes good or not. Ew, this is gross. Oh my god. That was creepy. What happened to the other 10? What happened to the other 10? Kelsey, what happened to the other 10?
What other 10? Oh. DK.
Ashley.
Well, 2 or 3 of them, yeah.
What happened to the other ones?
That was Danielle's teeth. FYI.
I'm proud of it.
Danielle's mouth is huge.
Now Kelsey's.
Excuse me, I have food in my mouth.
Exactly. I had ice in my mouth. Ew. Okay. Tune in next time for the Kelsey and her daily basis.